Pratha Goyal from class 11, and today I will be sermonizing about the chapter What is Duty by Swami Vivekananda in the study of Karma Yoga. It is necessary in the study of Karma Yoga to know what duty is. If I have to do something, I must first know that it is my duty and then I can do it. We again find that there are varied ideas of duty differing according to nations. The Mohammedan says what is in his book, the Quran, is his duty. The Hindu says what is in the Vedas is his duty. And the Christian says what is in the Bible is his duty. There are varied ideas of duty according to different states, different periods in life, and different historical periods. The abstract idea of duty, like any other universal abstract term, is impossible clearly to define. We can only know about it by understanding its practical operations and results. If a man goes out into the street and shoots down another man, he is apt to feel sorry for it, thinking he has done wrong. However, if the very same man in his regiment as a soldier kills not 1 but 20, he is certain to feel glad and think that he has done his duty remarkably well. We see therefore it is not the thing done that defines a duty. However, only one idea of duty which has been defined in a Sanskrit aphorism thus: do not injure any being. Not injuring any being is virtue, injuring any being is sin. Therefore, the point we ought to remember is that we should try to see the customs of other people by their own standards, through their own eyes, and never judge their duty by our standard. I am not the standard of the universe. I need to accommodate myself to the world, not the world to me. Let us do that duty which is ours by birth, and then when we have done that, let us do the duty which is ours by position and in life and society. We will later find that even this idea of duty undergoes change. The organization of society has been developed consciously or unconsciously in the realms of action and experience, whereby limiting selfishness, we can open the way to the real expansion for the real nature of man. Now, I will begin with the interpretation. Swadharmamapi chaveksha navikampitum maharshi dharmayadhi yudhachreyo nyat kshatriya se na vidyate. We should know what is our duty. We saw in the historic battlefield of Kurukshetra that Arjun had a duty-related dilemma. Krishna's advice to Arjun was simple: do your duty. I am sure all of us have been confused at one point or another. What is our duty? As a student, my primary duty is to study, but as a daughter, I have duties towards my parents as well. We should treat each work as worship and do it with devotion and dedication with no attachment to its results. Our unselfish attachment to the results will make us go Godward. Any act that makes us go Godward is our duty.